Hello and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to get what I have found to be the best results for using system fonts with your Cricut Explorer. I've not been a big fan of how the system fonts work when you do it in design space. Say I wanted to do the word family for like a vinyl wall decal or something. If I wanted to, I have a nice system font that I want to do. If I go over here and I choose system fonts and say I want a nice fancy like script type font. If I go down here and I choose this font here, if you look at it, it's all broken up. This font is really supposed to flow together. It's supposed to look like it's handwritten and it all flows together. But here it doesn't look good. You could edit it in here and it would take a decent amount of work. You know, you could break it up like this and make it so you could move all the letters around to get them closer together and make it look the way you want. But what I've found to be the easiest way is to just do it in a different program and import it in. So what I usually use is I use OpenOffice and I set it in the drawing part of OpenOffice and I make a text box and I'll just type in family and I'll select it all and I'll choose that same font and then I'll blow it up really big. The bigger the better actually for this, because if you make it too small when you import it, it's just not going to get a good quality import. So I'll normally go about as big as I can to get to fill the page. Let me try like 200 here. Maybe even bigger. Let's try 275. Okay, so that's pretty good. See how it's all nice and put together here now? That looks so much better than it did in Design Space. So now I'll just take this and I'll export, and I'll export it as a JPEG. And I'll save it to my desktop. And I'll save it at the highest quality. So now I go back into Design Space and I go to Upload Image and I do Basic Upload and I browse for it, find it on my desktop, and I just do Simple Image. And I'll import it like this. Make sure you click all the right areas so that it'll give you a nice good cut. Do a preview, make sure you got it all. And now continue and save image. And now let's insert that. And there you have it. Now it's in Design Space. You can make it bigger. And look at how much better that looks compared to doing it in Design Space and having to do a lot of messing around. There you go. It looks so much better and no messing around. So simple and easy. And I'll show you a couple projects that I've done using this method and they look really good. So here's one sample of something I did using that method for the font. You look at it, it came out really nice. I didn't have to do any tweaking to it at all, and it looks really good. Here's another example of the same method that I used for my daughter's name. I made this for her room. So it shows also it works really good and it cuts really nice on the Cricut Explorer. So there you have it. There's a nice, quick, easy way to make your system fonts cut very well using the new Cricut Explorer system. I hope this video helped you. If it did, be sure you like it. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll try to help you if I can. Thanks for watching.